What is going on right now?
I'm about to start the fucking beast.
Oh shit.
Electrocute myself.
Oh shit. God forbid, man. What the hell? No idiot style here. This is all just for test purposes. You want to try this at home?
That's reassuring.
And what, then after that you just go? Press start?
I got the keys and I gotta start the water.
Alright.
Okay, it's on run. What? So fucked up. Fuck are even these keys? Don't do what we do. Do as we say.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I heard it click.
It'd be smart to prime your engine with gasoline.
Yes. And the result, I should step away just in case. Stay tuned.